Hi guys, welcome to Gold Beauty channel. Let us start. First, lubricate your skin with oil to prevent the jade roller from wrinkling your skin. Jade roller is one of the daily treatment and skin care. First, we start from the chest. It's effective for improving blood flow. By increasing blood circulation in the skin, the amount of lines and wrinkles will decrease and the skin will be smooth. To use jade roller, it's better to put jade roller in the freezer before use. If your jade roller is cool, it will be more effective. And be sure to wash your skin before use. Using jade roller in the neck area relieves stress, improves blood flow, and eliminates facial puffiness. Enjoy the massage. First, like and subscribe my channel. Gentle massage in this area relieves stress, improves blood flow, and removes facial puffiness. If you suffer from facial swelling and puffiness for various reasons, such as hormonal change during menstruation or excessive consumption of processed substances, this massage can help reduce facial puffiness. For around the eyes, a smaller jade roller head is used to be more effective. Jade roller is effective in reducing facial puffiness and puffiness around the eyes. From a scientific point of view, massaging the face with stones increases skin blood circulation and supplies it with more oxygen. This in itself makes skincare products work faster, more and more effectively. Also, by continuously massaging the skin with stones, collagen production in the skin is stimulated due to the stimulation of skin cells to regenerate scars such as chickenpox and will gradually disappear with facial massage. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Bye.